How to change low vision mode in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the mode to low vision. First of all, open the application. Now here you can select any of the book that you want to read. So here I'm tapping on one. Now again double tap on this interface. Here on the right top you can see this AA icon. Simply tap on this AA icon. Here there are different options like font, layout, themes and more. Simply select themes. Now slowly scroll down. Here on the last option you can see low vision. Simply tap on low vision. So if you go back, the whole interface has been changed. So this is for the ones who have low vision. So the text has been enlarged and anyone can read it easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.